Father, please hear my plea. Need you to rescue me, 'cause I'm still broken. May I be transparent? See, lately it has become apparent that we are wearing the mask. Worshippers worshiping like second-class citizens and not citizens of the kingdom. See, we minister from fake places, and because of which we are injuring the kingdom's children, not being completely real. See, here is the deal. Lately, my faith has become Emmett Till. Beaten heartbreak had me feeling defeated. Not just one, but 3 repeat offenses. My heart, which once had a gate, now had no fences. Lexus, which means protected, didn't have any defenses. And spiritually, I was at war. My mind was in the trenches, but faith kept standing even when my body and spirit was uncommitted. See, I should have been, I could have been, I would have been committed if fear was his parents and depression and suicide was his children. But people really don't want to know with what I was dealing. It was a spirit of pillaging and character assassination where people refused to be who they said they were. So I was subject to manipulation, and tears was my literal habitation, not worship. See, I was literally, spiritually, and mentally jacked up. But that's where he used me. You see, it's in brokenness that God can really get the glory. And through this truth, I realize that we all have a story, that I ain't the only one. Lest I forget Jesus, Yeshua, the Holy Son. See, Jesus, our elder brother and king, was bruised and misused for our iniquity. He was humiliated, brought low so that we could be made high. His face disfigured so eyes be not disguised. And he endured so much lies and pain. But humiliation is a perfect invitation for God's perfect love to reign. And somewhere in the pain there's a silver lining, and it's more about the journey than less about the timing than what we think we are meant to be. See, the songwriter said that it's the climb, so even though our weak eyes can't see, faith allows us to see supernaturally that God uses the fire to burn the bondages free. So even though it hurts, we must believe that all things work together for the good, that all things work together the way they should. Could it be that we are being shaped in his likeness? And in this shaping, we must deal with the breaking of our will and our human mindsets. And therefore, on trouble's onset, we cannot forget that we have an advocate, a protector, a father who knows our plans. He holds our world in his hands. And so let us submit to this divine dance, this perichoresis, this dance around love. Lord, take my heart, it's my offering, it's in pieces. Even still, his love increases in all things, even in miscarried promises and stillborn dreams. Even still, his love beams like headlights and water streams when we worship in transparency. See, I've been broken and bruised, wondering will God still use, crying out to you, I got nothing to lose. Father, please hear my plea, need you to rescue me, 'cause I'm still broken.